In the velvet hush of a quiet frame, Yağmur, you arrive not as a star, but as a feeling, like rain that never asks permission, like a garden that blooms only after it has known the storm. You don't speak to be heard, you speak because truth refuses to stay silent.
And in that truth, there is no performance, no armor, no distance.
Only a woman learning the sacred art of release, loosening her hands from the illusion of control. Let go.
You whisper,
And somehow it feels like healing.
in the way your voice softens when you speak of life, as if you've already made peace with its uncertainty. On screen, you burn, fire wrapped in grace, unshaken, undeniable. But here, you are something rarer.
Still water, quiet depth, a soul that does not need to prove, only to be.
And in your honesty, there is something beautifully fragile.
You believe others feel as deeply as you do.
And maybe that is not something to change,
but something the world is still learning how to deserve.
because to feel like that, to walk through life with your heart unguarded,
Is not weakness
it is courage.
in its purest form. You speak of Nasib like it's alive, like it's been walking beside you this whole time, quietly writing your story in a language only destiny understands.
And maybe that's your power, not in chasing the moment, but in trusting it.
Not in forcing the light,
But in becoming it.
you don't try to shine,
And still,
you do. Effortlessly, inevitably,
a heart in balance, a soul in flow. A heart in balance, a soul in flow.
unforgettable, free, unforgettable, free.